tiger invites himself into my house. But first, Heidi's got some competition for her chicken.
Hi, sweet girl. Would you like to come in for some chicken bits? Look, many chicken bits. They're not all wings, it's mostly wings. Got some other bits as well. Where should we go today? Should we go over here? You can stay here. With the cat. Oh. Libby, no, it's not for you. You can have one sniff. Good girl. Oh, poor Heidi. You've scared her. You are so scary. You're the scariest cat. Also, I already gave you some chicken. Was that an upset purr? Yeah, get out of my face. Yeah, you go mouse. Oh, here we are. You gonna climb on me? So I got some bits with a bit of chicken on them still. Because I just need her to be eating. Oh, you didn't like that piece? You might not like some of this. No, don't you come back. You eat what you've got. What's wrong with those? What's wrong with them? Hey, what's wrong with them? Hey, Heidi, would you like a little drink? So thirsty. Do you want any more? Good girl. All right, let's have another bit then. It's a suspicious sound outside. Oh, come on. You cannot eat that. All right, I will not be adventurous next time. Nothing but wingtips next time. It's all right, because I can collect the bits up for the other foxes. Unless Libby gets to them first. This was supposed to be less cleanup for me, not more. What? Oh my god, you didn't even try that one. She just felt there wasn't a bone and rejected it. You are funny. More water? Heidi? Water? From your sweet little cup? So gorgeous. Oh, proper water now. hi, Tiger. Taking your egg. That's why we put them out there. Oh. Oh. Oh, oh no. Sorry. You okay? Did I hurt your tooth? Very sorry, my love. You're funny. Shall I put it down? Is that easier? Oh no! You done? Water? Water? Oh. Where you going? Where you going? Hi. Where you going, my love? Is it rest time? Do you want to have a little sit down? I always want her to have a sit down. Oh. Something else? Oh, burp time. Yeah, there are more in there. At least 2 more that I can see. Oh, honey. Oh, I see him. Don't. Tiger. She'll get angry. Oh, Chico. Scared him off. Scary display. Where are you going? Don't go behind me. I have to spin all the way around. There you are. Would you like something else? Would you like a treat? Would you? Where are you going? See Libby outside. Did you hear me say her name? Wow. And Tiger's on his way back. Oh. I was outside cleaning up and I caught him in here. Trying to come get these leftovers. Help me clean up. What a good boy. You're so big. You're enormous. I'm so used to seeing little Heidi in here. Don't you, Pea? Oh, it's a bone. Ah! No. Not in my shoes. It does smell of pee, but I don't know where he would have peed because I was outside. Oh no. Don't you? No, 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 Tiger. Oh, there's some treats around there. Don't steal the treats. You're silly. What are you doing? Come get one of these. Come get this. Do you want that? I didn't do anything. What do you want? Panting. Don't pee. Oh, you didn't break the eggs around there, did you? Do you want me to get you some treats? What are you trying to get? This is where I shove things, by the way. Hello, was it an egg you wanted? Was it an egg? Yes. Should I put it in here? And come get it. Pea-boy. My lovely pea-boy. Come on in. Come on. You're so heavy and noisy. Good boy. What a brave boy. Brave pea-boy.